Across quiet laboratories and rugged coastlines, extraordinary talents unfold in people and animals who defy ordinary limits. A synchronized swimmer who recovered movement after a rare stroke shares her journey, while a dolphin demonstrates uncanny spatial awareness. Researchers link neuroplasticity, sensory substitution, and evolutionary tricks to unlock abilities once thought impossible and brain connectivity. Interviews with a tree ring bow maker and a falconer who reads wing beats reveal how practice shapes biology. This short invites viewers to reimagine possibility, where curiosity, science, and storytelling map the vast terrain of talent every day.